Valmet factory. The last action of this washing make is parting off the piece, the prepare. I will use a Sandvik parting off tool by 2mm wide insert, and I will set 80 RPMs and feed by handle. So I will try to set camera somewhere to film this action. Oh, nice. So I did it. Washing is new. Here is no fly shit on it. So, and by file I will remove this, and then by hand I work this shape or edge so it will be smooth. I think I can try to do by this tool. It's tool by Sandvik, but I need 2 hands for done it. Something like that. So this is the way how to work. So thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.